Hi everybody, Monty here, geometry. Now, in week 5, we're wrapping up on these angles and measurements of segments and the notations. Okay, so we've got notation for segments, notation for angles, and we're looking for measures. We finished that workspace. Now it's going to actually start talking about shapes. Okay, we got to work on parallel and perpendicular. So let's get started. Parallelograms, triangles, and trapezoids are different polygons, multi-sided objects, right? Polygon is a closed figure with sides that are straight line segments that do not overlap, okay? And they have vertices. Remember, we have to know how to graph. Each point is called a vertex, the corner points. The parallelogram shown below, A, B, C, D, has 4 vertices. A, boom. B, boom, C, boom, D, boom. All right. Now, we need to know how to graph. A, 0, 0. B, 25, 50. C, that's over here, 100, 50, 100, 50. And D, 75, 0. Now, remember, it's always X, Y, right? Okay. So let's see what the assignment is. Rectangle QPQRS has been plotted on the coordinate plane using vertices. Sure it has. PQRS. Scroll down a little bit. Now, we have to actually list the coordinate points. So let's look at P. 10, 0, isn't it? Isn't that just 10, 0? Let's try it. Put a 10, hit enter, 0, hit enter. Oh, we can do this. Q, 15, 0, 15, 0. Okay, now let's go check. They said R was 15, 50. 15, 50, yep, we agree. S is up here. 10, 50, yep. 10, 50, let's do it. 10, enter. 50, enter. Okay, now that we know how to graph, we can verify the vertexes, the vertices, right, the corner points. The coordinates of G, H, J, K, R. Oh, we get to pick. Okay, so we got this little corner point guy right here. 12, 20, 12, 20. Got to scroll down a little bit. 12, 20, right there. Boom. Okay. It's thinking, it's thinking, it's thinking. Okay. And 12, 20, 12, 25, hover, 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 click. Now this might be trouble for you. Let me know, okay, because I have a mouse. Okay, I got the mouse pad. Mouse pad will work also, okay? So let me know if you're struggling with this. Oh, my face is in the way. Let's move down a little bit. 25, 25. 25 is over here. 25 is up here. Little lag time there. Click. Okay. It's thinking. I hope it's thinking. And then our last one will be 25, 20 when it lets us go. And our last one. Okay, I'm going to click no more because didn't we do the 4? Let's hit no more, see what happens. Cool. I wonder if we're done. Let's click I'm done, see what happens. Okay, We did it. All right. So graphing. Now remember, it's all going to be about slope, okay, parallel, and then we have the opposite reciprocal, right? Opposite. The flip it and change it for perpendicular. All right. So let's see where we're at. Lag time, huh? All right. So we have an enclosed polygon. It has 4 vertices. This is the same example they gave us the time before. Okay, so those are our directions. We know what this is called? Trapezoid, right? Trapezoid. T-R-A-P. Trap. Has been plotted on the given vertices. Okay, list the coordinate points of trap. T, X, comma, Y. Remember, it's always the horizontal first, vertical second. 55, 15. Now, I'll bet you they're going to say, let's just try it. 15, comma, 50. Nope. Monty, what are you doing? 55, comma, 15. There we go. Now let's see if we typed it right or if we got to put parentheses around it. Okay, I'm going to try parentheses. Aha. Bingo. Bingo, bango, bongo. R, 115, 15. So this time, I'm going to click on this arrow to see what it says. And that's a formula. I wonder what that does for us. Oh, there's my parenthesis. Oh, I love it. So now, I didn't have to use the parenthesis. 115, 15. 115, comma, 15. Enter. Cool. A is going to be coming down here. Looks like 95, 100, 105, 100, comma, 30. Let's try it. 100, comma, 30. Remember, if we get it wrong, we can always ask for a hint. Okay, and then the last one, P, 65, 70, 70, comma, 30, because they're parallel. Remember, parallel. I'm going to hit parentheses this time, and it was what? Let's go back. 70, comma, 30. Okay, so 70, comma, 30. Okay, now we're going to try to do Brad. So 80, 30 is going to be the B. 80, 30, click. Then we're going to go 100, comma, 30. So 100, comma, 30, click. And I better scroll up a little so we don't make a mistake. 120, comma, 50. 120, comma, 50. Click. And 60, comma, 50. Click. And we got our little check marks. And we'll scroll down. We'll hit no more. Hopefully this was helpful on graphing. And remember, the more problems you do, the more you're going to get into polygons. Perpendicular, parallel. Okay? Hopefully this was helpful. And some of you are into this week 5, but for sure on week 6, this is where we want to be. Okay? Have a great day. All right, more coordinate points.